New discoveries. Introduction. If you wanted to find a new animal species, where would you look? You might look in remote corners of the globe. Scientists find more than 15,000 animal species each other. That's 1% of the more than 1 plus 5 million species we know about already. At the same time, species are dying out at record rates around the globe. More for this reason, when we do stumble on a new species, it is an important discovery. Monkey mania. In two in 2007, a new species of monkey was found in the forests of Central Africa. The laszlo has large eyes and is shy and quiet. The first one found by scientists was being kept as a pet. In 2010, scientists found the Caqueta titty monkey by listening to its calls. This monkey lives in the Amazon jungle. The Caqueta is known for its bushy red bird. It doesn't have a white bar on its forehead, as other titty monkeys do. Its babies purr like cats. Only around 250 Caqueta titty monkeys are alive today, meaning the species is endangered. Freaky, freaky, fabulous frogs. The modern narrow-mouthed frog is the size of a pea. It was discovered on the island of Borneo in 2010. It turns out that scientists had seen these frogs before. They thought the frogs were the young of a different species. Then they heard the frogs calling. Since only adult frogs make calls, they realized that these tiny frogs must be full grown. A scientist discovered the long-nosed tree frog in 2010. This frog lives in the Vosges Mountains of New Guinea. The area has been called the Lost World. This tree frog is known for its long nose. It, it is sometimes called the Pinocchio frog. When the male frog calls, its nose points up. When the frog is done calling, its nose falls. No one knows why. Furry finds. Another find during the 2010 Vosges Mountains trip was the blossom bat. It uses its long tongue to drink nectar from flowers. During a 2005 trip to Madagascar, researchers found Goodman's mouse lemurs, not much bigger than mice. These tiny lemurs jump around in the trees at night. During the daytime, they sometimes sleep in empty birds' nests. Interesting in invertebrates. Scientists think that vertebrate animals with backbones make up only 3% of all species. The remaining 97% of animal species known to scientists are invertebrates, animals without backbones. Sazimos, tarantulas, has a special beauty. Its dark blue, its dark blue body almost glows. This fantastic arachnid has limited habitat. It only lives high in the mountains of Brazil. Discovered in 2013 in South America, this new type of plant hopper looks strange. The wild hair isn't hair at all. When an enemy attacks, the hair breaks off and the plant hopper can jump to safety. That's what scientists think anyway, but they aren't sure. Underwater wonders. Scientists found the Gorgon's head starfish in 2010. The Atlantic Ocean, the Gorgon's head, a type of basket star, has five arms that split off from its body. The five arms have as many as 5,000 tips. The tips help it find food floating by in the water. It also uses its arms to walk along the ocean bottom and to protect itself. It took until 2013 to find the walking bamboo shark. Like most sharks, it is no threat to humans. It lives off the coast of Indonesia. Scientists found it because the colors of it on its back are different from those of other sharks. This new species uses its fins to push itself along the ocean floor in search of food. The wiggling movements makes it look as though the shark is walking, hiding in plain view. For more than 100 years, scientists thought the Olingito was another species. In 2013, they discovered that they had been wrong. The Olingito leaps through trees at night, the smallest member of the raccoon family. It can be found in South America. In 2009, researchers found the Cambodia tailor bird. Tests showed that this tailor bird was a new species. Scientists also studied the bird's song. While all tailor birds sing, no two species sound the same. Sure enough, the song of the Cambodia tailor bird is different from all the rest. What's next? Scientists, scientists continue to amaze us by finding new species. Experts agree that many more have yet to be found. Many of these newly found species are in danger of dying out. Finding them means we can help save their homes. Doing this saves the animals that live there, both those we know about and those we don't know about yet.